quick explainer video on how to connect 2 tanks to one system when you've got a base drain. So as you can see inside this tank, we've got a base drain, which means that you can fully drain the whole tank down using the pump to suck all the water out. This is what it's going to look like when you receive the setup. You'll get the connections. You've got a T-piece that connects to one water out and the base drain water out. So for transport purposes, it will come and this won't be connected. So what you will need to do is just, you've got a little cutout in the base of the tank. So you set the connector in there, and it comes with a washer. You can just use the washer. I recommend that instead of the washer, you use a high quality marine silicone, but the washer also works really, really good. So get it nice and flat. There we go, take your time. There we go. Got it. Screw that nice and tight to get your seal. And then you would just need to then connect this part to the back of the tank. Get it nice and flat. Slowly catch your monkey. Screw the plunger on. So now you've got the water drawing from 2 points, a high level and a low level. And this is your plunger to open and close your high level. So you'd have it open. And when you want to just draw from the base of the tank, because you want to draw all the water of the tank out of the tank, you would close the valve on both of the tanks, and then you're just going to be sucking the water out of the base. Okay, so, and as you can see, you've got the same on both baths, connected to a T-piece, and then this goes to the front of your pump to suck the water out of both baths. And then you've got your water back into the bath, and we would usually connect that at the high point. It's really simple. Just unscrew your tower, unscrew your plunger, washer, nut. Screws into position, nice and tight, hand tight. Screw your tower back into place. We prefer to use the little caps on the towers. It reduces the amount of air that's coming into the system, and it also, when you've not got the system running, it prevents any leaks coming out the back of the tower. And then again, you would just screw your plunger in place. Once again, this is on a T-piece, so the water comes from the back of the chiller and into both of the baths. Really simple way to connect to the chiller. You've got your cam lock connectors. Super easy, sturdy connectors. There we go. So same on the base of the chiller. That'll be the water coming from the pump into the chiller, then out of the chiller into the bath.